Welcome to Venusian Music Studio channel.
Today, I'm going to show you how to replace an internal battery inside a YAMAHA FS1R module and initialize the system. Okay, so when I try to push this power button and then boot it up, see what happens. It says battery low. Hold on just a second. So we really have to take this thing out of the rack and change the battery. Alright. So before we get to that, I'm going to take this FS1R out of this rack. Okay, this is the FS1R. This is the front. Then we're going to flip it over like this. Then we're going to open this panel right here. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 screws here. So we're going to use a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, hold on. We're gonna open this panel up. We go. Something is stuck. Slice out. Something feels still stuck. Right here. I don't know. Let's see if this one is necessary to open. Looks like it. This screw is coming up. Alrighty then, this is exactly the same one. I'm gonna just sort them out like this. Okay, here you go. Got a pink screwdriver. Alright, so I'm gonna open this up. Here you go. You see? Now here's the battery IC. So what we do is I have a brand new Toshiba battery. That's a Sierra 2032, I believe. Let's see what size that is. So what you do is you see this is a little bracket part, right? I'm gonna push it to left. Then it pops back up. All right, so this one says, oh my gosh, like it has a marking on my own. It's got a little V sign. It says December 2009. That's when I changed it last. Okay, so right now it's the 2022, so lasted for a long time. I can calculate. So I'm gonna take this new battery out. I put a mark right here, August 2022. All right, so I'm gonna push this battery in there. Yeah, so it looks like a perfect. I think I'm gonna go ahead and boot up this thing before I close. So let's see. Now it boots up and it doesn't say low battery, but still, okay, we can't really see what's happening, so I'm gonna just flip it over here. It's so faint and you can't even see, so it's a very faint display, so I think I may have to initialize the system. Alright, so let's go to System, Factory Reset. Are you sure? Well, if you happen to have your own sounds, patches like a voices or performance, all the stuff you programmed are gonna be wiped out. I don't have anything, so I can do factory reset. Okay, I will show you how to initialize the system step by step. First, press utility mode. Then use the cursor left and right to move it to initialize. Then press enter. choose the type of initialization you want. I pick Fact Set, which is a factory preset. However, factory preset will delete all your custom settings. Press Enter. It asks you, are you sure? It will show you a message executing complete. When you're done, press Exit. You're all done. It went back to normal! Yay! Alright, so let's reboot one more time. Turn it off. Welcome to FS1R! Yay! Alright, so what we do is I'm gonna just turn this off and put the lid back on. Alrighty. Okay, FS1R is back in the rack. Let's push this button and see. Alright, back to normal. Yay! Thank you for watching.
Hit the like button and subscribe.